Upper Vibe at halftime. We're going to have more high school football highlights, plus a little Spurs action, too, tonight, right, Case?
Yeah. Yes, we do.
All right, but first, it is Six Flags Fright Fest. Ooh, look at this. The rides are going strong. It's a Friday night at Fiesta, Texas. And this is good stuff. I mean, it's like a walking haunted house. I mean, you are scared all over the park. There's haunted houses you can go into, you can walk around, but you better keep your head on a swivel. Just like that. All right, let's take a look at the hill. We got a breezy night out there. That feels good, though. And I'll tell you, it's going to be a windy weekend, and at times that will help with the heat that's on the way. 72, south and southeast wind at 14, dew point up to 54. That's going to start climbing. Yeah, the heat and humidity coming back this weekend, and this is the vehicle, the big south and southeast winds that'll be pouring in the Gulf moisture. That will really make a difference on how it feels both Saturday and Sunday afternoons, but at least the wind's moving and that air circulating is going to be a little bit of relief out there. So temperatures won't be as chilly tomorrow morning as they have been, but they'll be comfortable because we're going to go down to the lower 60s under mostly clear skies. Hill country probably somewhere in the mid to upper 50s. In fact, take a look overnight. We'll see several mid and upper 50s across the hills, but stopping in the lower 60s before mid to upper 80s Saturday afternoon. Plenty of sunshine again, but we'll start noticing something we haven't seen since Tuesday. Cloud cover. Not that we're going to go mostly cloudy. We won't cover the sky with clouds. In fact, it'll only be a partly cloudy sky at the most, but you will feel the difference on the dew points as those southeast winds pour in and dew points go up into the mid-60s. So with that kind of moisture in the tank, all we need is a good rainmaker, and here's an upper level low. Now, when you see this on an upper level chart, this is when it could be a cutoff low. And those just take their time. When we say cutoff low, that means it's cut off from the natural flow west to east of the upper level pattern. And so it just kind of moves very slowly, and it could spell out 2 up to 3 days of rain. But watch what happens with this. It gets swept up with this trough and exits quickly. So it's only about a day and a half. Let's zoom in and I'll show you what I'm watching. As this comes in, watch the tightening of these isobars. What that's going to represent, upper level wind speeds. And you get a jet max in here like this right here. And you definitely have increasing instability that could fuel some thunderstorms Monday evening. So it's going to be Monday afternoon, Monday night, a forecast we're going to watch very closely over the weekend because high-resolution models will be available Saturday, Sunday, and start telling us a little bit more about what this could produce. There's the low anchored up in the panhandle, but as that moves through, we could see a couple of thunderstorms develop. And then look at this. We get that system out, and we've got another chance of rain next week. Another little trough develops. You can see that dip, and there's the low over Albuquerque. So by Thursday night into Friday, we'll have another chance of rain. So that's 2 rainmakers in 1 week. We haven't seen that in a while. So rainfall totals on the forecast for 7 days are pretty optimistic, 1 to 1.25 inches, especially up I-35 and out I-10 to the east. All right, 7-day forecast time from the Pearl. Don't forget, tomorrow morning's farmers market. Should be a great morning for that. 87 tomorrow afternoon, a warmer 89 Sunday. A few of you will hit 90, but again, breezy on both days. Will feel a little bit better. Monday rainfall looks pretty good into Monday night, clears out, and then we get another chance of rain in as early as Friday. You know, one of